I really like this room. I think this might be my favorite one so far. What about you?
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Yeah, so always seems to know the colors and it does that.
Yeah, it's cool.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space.
That first sip of coffee, am I right?
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, guys. We are sort of doing something we said we wouldn't do. We said we were going to get y'all out of the classic LA scene, and today we're going to Beverly Hills. But it's because there's a temporary museum called the Museum of Dream Space, which I'm sure y'all have probably seen, where a lot of people take cool pictures and stuff. So it's not always there, it's temporary, so we're gonna go check it out, and hopefully it's fun. I read it's pretty small, shouldn't take too long, but thought it'd be a fun little thing to do. And we got a Groupon for it, normally $42, $28.50.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, so if you have one near you, check out Groupon to see if they have a special for it. We'll see you guys there. Bye.
To think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes.
Hey guys, we just got here to the Beverly Center.
Empty parking lot.
There was no traffic. Took us 30 minutes to get here, which is unheard of. It normally takes us an hour and a half to get here, but we'll see you guys inside.
Car 8.
Look at the elevator. I already feel like I'm at Dream Space.
Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you.
Hi guys, we are in the first room at
How many
the...
rooms are there?
I think they said there's only 5. They said it's pretty small, but it's super cool. I love it. I wish now we have it all to ourselves.
There's nobody here.
So excited.
And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a heart.
Room number 2. Nobody again.
We have it all to ourselves.
Long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need.
night sky, trying to make me see your stars. But the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes.
I really like this room. I think this might be my favorite one so far. What about you?
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Yeah, so I'll always show the colors and does that.
Yeah, it's cool. The pictures come out really pretty over the lights. They look really nice.
So I have 2 rooms up.
Yeah.
2 more rooms.
And again, all 2 are set up.
Figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where our 2 pass the line. But you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars. Heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. Photograph as well because it's darker than the other rooms, and we're starting to hear a lot more people.
Yeah, they're behind us. They're coming.
Yeah, so definitely if you're going to visit one of these, try to get there as early as possible so that you have the rooms all to yourself. And definitely get the Groupon because I wouldn't pay $42 to come here.
No.
So, but I would pay the $28.
It's not a big enough, like, what museum, I guess you can call it.
Yeah, I mean, it's only 5 rooms.
$42.
Yeah, but the 28 I think is fine. Just make sure you spend a lot of time, take time taking your photos to make it worth it, because otherwise it's not worth it.
No.
Yeah, but I mean, you get some awesome photos.
Yeah, it's nice.
You'll see them on our Instagram, and if you don't follow us yet, go follow us there. What are you waiting for?
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like too.
Make sure you subscribe, and if you really, really like us, hit the notification bell so you're always updated when we put out a new video. To everyone that has already subscribed, that comments, that goes and follows us on Instagram, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much.